I'm going to take you around a walk around San Jose Del Cabo. This is the mission. The mission was actually built in 1730, and tragically, the founder of the mission was actually brutally murdered by the natives surrounding this area. Or the plaque outside the mission says by the Indians that the Catholics were feuding with in this area, or fighting with, I guess. This is a Sunday, and when you come to the mission on Sunday, you know that the Catholic religion is alive and well in Mexico, because it's literally standing room only, and every opening in the building has people standing outside it to hear the service. This is not dead center of the gallery section, but it seems like the anchor of the gallery district. Anyways, it's kind of hard to get lost in the gallery district, because pretty much wherever you are, you can walk a few steps and see the steeples of the mission. Outside the mission is actually this tile of the father being brutally murdered. This is a bit of a walk down the gallery. Now, it's Sunday today, so some of the stores are open, not all of them. Great place to walk around after 5:30. The great thing about Los Cabos, San Lucas, and San Jose is that it's beautifully hot in the day, but by 5:30 it starts to cool down. This is a great area to walk around in the evening. There's tons of little bars and local restaurants, and there's some traditional Mexican crafts and so on, but there's some very modern art as well. There's actually more probably modern art. There's certainly some jewelers. As I mentioned, it's great to walk around the gallery district in the evening because the cooler temperatures.
Yeah.
But if you can hack it in the day, which certainly is not too hard, if you bring lots of water or stop frequently at the coffee shops and pubs, the architecture is amazing, and certainly the building industry is a lot different than in North America, where we have a lot more stick construction, lots of cinder block, lots of concrete. This ahead is Molly's, a famous place to stop for a coffee or a drink. This is kind of the town square. Like I say, you're from the resort district as well. You're really not all that far from here. We walked from our resort several times to the downtown, or the older downtown, and the gallery district. And great. Our second day here, I guess, we had brunch at this Tropicana, and if you can have brunch, particularly if you can have brunch on Sunday at the Tropicana, worth the stop for sure. Down the street a little further, you could actually walk across the bridge that will take you over towards the marina, and it might be actually worth taking a cab. But in around that area where the bridge is, you can actually enter the estuary, and the estuary is worth a walk through. It's home to over 200 types of birds, and just an incredible walk. Since the hurricane, there's a little more high water down by the Holiday Inn. You used to be able to enter near the Holiday Inn or get all the way down to the beach, although it looks like right now you can't. So you can enter from near the water treatment plant. And again, it's a great walk. It looks like since the hurricane, the municipality's done quite a bit of work in the estuary, some on the pathways, but also they've built these viewing areas. And actually, we're down here by the beach the day after the first footage was shot, we came in off the beach to the other side, and this viewing area had been built since the last time we were here, which was less than a year ago. And a great place to sit, and there was quite a few people during our visit that had some binoculars and were out bird watching here, and it gives you a bit of elevation so you can see quite a ways down the water in the estuary, so definitely worth a walk. The other great place that you have to check out if you're in San Jose Del Cabo is the marina. Marina is a great walk around, and it's home to the swimming with the dolphins. And if you watch any of the documentaries on Netflix or Blackfish or anything like that, you won't swim with the dolphins. But we didn't swim with the dolphins, although that's your decision to make. But it's a great walk around the marina. Just before, there was a picture of the cross on the hill, and that's a great sight. And they tell me that the cross, here it is again, is a great place to take photos of the marina. And but there's signs there saying you can't go up, so we didn't go up, although I would have liked to. And as you walk around the marina, there's all sorts of art sculptures, and it's kind of an art walk all the way around. Before the hurricane, there used to be paintings as well, but I noticed that they have taken the paintings down. But again, as I mentioned, a great view around the marina. On the one side, across from the hotel, so not the side the hotel is on, but the other side, the hotel actually runs the beach club, and you can sit and have a drink on the beach, or they have the most magnificent shrimp nachos.